How to reset the password of Santander Bank. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that exact process. So watch this video till the end to know how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. So let's get started. First of all, open up Santander Bank's website by typing in santanderbank.com. From here, the official website of Santander will open. Now, click on the login button located on the top right. Here, you can see a login tab will open. So if you don't yet have an account on Santander, you can click on this link and create your account. For now, if you have forgotten your account, then you'll need to click on forgot password. Or if you also forgotten your username, you can also click on this, then recover your user ID. Now to recover your password, you'll need to enter in your user ID along with your social security number. Doing this step will help the system to find your exact account and will help in recovering it. So if you don't have a social security number, you can click on this, and then instead of your social security number, you can type in your date of birth. After you filled in the information, click on the continue button. Then in the next step, a verification code will be sent either to your email address or your phone number. You will need to type in the code and then you will get verified. And in the next step, you will be able to create a new password without having to remember your old password. That's how you can easily reset your Santander Bank password. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.